You can't plan to delay repentance to Allah. People say, and I've given this example before, people say, well, I'm still young. When I turn 50, I'll go for Hajj and inshallah we'll stop everything. For now, I'm just enjoying life. No way. I've asked people, can you afford Hajj? They say, yes. Are you able to go? Yes. Well, why aren't you going? They say, because I'm still young. I'm still young, so I'm not going because when I go for Hajj, then I'm going to have to quit all this and all that. No, you can't do that. Allah decides when you're going to go by giving you the means and the capacity to go. وَلِلَّهِ عَلَى النَّاسِ حِجُّ الْبَيْتِ مَنِ اسْتَطَاعَ إِلَيْهِ سَبِيلًا. Allah has made it compulsory to go for Hajj for those who are able and capable to undertake the journey. So if you have the capacity, who gave you the capacity? Allah. You have the money, who gave you the money? Allah. So He's decided when you're going to go. If you delay unnecessarily, you're sinful. Yes, if there was a restriction or you didn't get a visa or something, Allah will not hold it against you, but you tried.